Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Today I will show you how to make end screen video tiles on your YouTube videos. First of all, you have to open your internet browser. Then you have to search for YouTube Studio on Google. Once YouTube Studio is open, then the next step is to click on the video icon given on the left side. When the page is open and you can see your uploaded videos, then you have to choose the video to which you want to apply end screen. Click on the video and then click on the edit button. After that, on the right side you will see the end screen button. Press that end screen button. Once the page is open, you have to select the element button where you can choose the right type that you want. After selecting the format, then set the time from where it will start. After that, select the video that you want to showcase in the end screen. Then just click on the save button and voila, it's done. If you like the video and want to see more, do subscribe to the channel for more information.